guys, today we're going to program an F150 Lariat. Let's get to it. So you're going to need a remote control to do this. You serious? Up on the visor, right there's our HomeLink buttons. There's 3 of them. We're going to press the 1 and 3, hold them in at the same time. Green light comes on. We're going to hold these 2 buttons until that green light starts flashing. We're going to let go. We just cleared the memory, starting fresh on the HomeLink. Now we're going to take the button and you're going to choose 1, 2, or 3 to open the garage door. We're going to choose the number 1. You're going to take your button, press the HomeLink button that you want, both at the same time, and continue to hold. See that green light flashing? There it goes, rapid flashing. Now we want to let go. Go ahead and open the door back up. Next step is going to be in the garage at the garage door opener.
A few moments later.
You're going to pull the lid down, typically the side with the antenna coming out. It'll be labeled learn button. Go ahead and press and release that button. Turns on the LED light. Now let's get back to the vehicle. Back at the HomeLink, the button that we programmed, we want to press that in and out until the door starts to move. In and out. In and out. And there we go. Give it a try. Press that HomeLink. Reversing it back open. Easy peasy, guys. Hey, if you got anything out of this, please comment, like, and subscribe. Peace out.